stick himself, and computer programmer Jack must wish that he was back in his office.
Hey, pink hair kid, give me some chocolate.
Oh, and what a shot! Jesus fucking Christ.
The fan is going crazy.
Oh, what a shot. And Andy ruining the match.
Crazy.
Oh, holy shit.
This is brutal.
Oh, man. But that's not going to stop Matt Medina from hitting him in the face with a garbage can. Hurting Anthony Gisanda like that.
Oh. Brutal shots.
This is almost too much.
Oh.
They should stop. They should softening up, I guess.
You know when the match is over.
Oh! Oh my God! Oh my! Like you wouldn't believe.
Look at me do the twist and twirl.
Dave, appearing to make fun of Gisanda because he lost the stick.
Oh, he's picking it up.
And Gisanda is picking it up, and he's jabbing him with it. Kind of soft. Oh, that wasn't. Oh, okay. And oh yeah, that's he's gonna feel that in the morning. These men may never wrestle again. And that's how you do the twirls, he says.
Yeah, oh, Jesus Christ.
Wow. He's like computer programmer Jack. He's just as deadly as ever. But he just got hit in the foot with a stick. Man, computers got...
Oh my God.
Ooh. He is still... Oh my God. And that, I believe that was the loudest sound ever. Setting him up for the Dominator. He's calling it. Setting him up. Oh my God! Oh my God! I'm tired of saying oh my God from the first one. Oh! He's got the stick! Oh my God! Hardest shot ever. And oh no, we do not want to see this chair used at Heartbreak. Oh my shit! Oh my! Oh my God! Jumps! He dodged the gore.